Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So latest update is that opposition parties in parliament are continuing to pile up pressure on President Cyril Ramaphosa to resign over the Phala Phala farm gate scandal. You already know the scandal. So the DA has actually called for the dissolution of the National Assembly, like the disbandment of parliament, while the economic freedom fighters, the EFF, wants a no confidence motion tabled against Ramaphosa. I don't know how this thing is going to go down, really. I don't know what's happening in 2022. 2022 is going badly for the president. So the DA wants parliament to be dissolved, National Assembly to be dissolved, so that it forces early elections. If parliament gets dissolved, then we get early elections before 2024. Hopefully, they are hoping that the ANC is on the ropes. That's what they think. They're probably hoping that if anything happens, if they get elections at the moment, because Ramaphosa seems to be the ANC's only ticket to victory at the moment, they'll probably be able to get a victory over him at this moment. But the EFF wants a no confidence motion tabled against him. We know what they did with the former president Jacob Zuma. So the EFF wants to go the route of a no confidence motion, probably then force the ANC to provide a caretaker president until the next elections. So Julius Steenhuisen on Monday said Ramaphosa had apparently lost legitimacy and the mandate to continue serving as the country's president over the scandal. I don't know, what do you think? What do you think about this? Do you think Uncle Ramaphosa should go or he should stay? Leave your comments in the comment section below. But the DA is insisting on dissolving parliament so that we get early elections. Of course, there have been widespread calls, even within the ANC, for Ramaphosa to resign and save the party and save the country, and basically that's what people are saying. Of course, last week we heard that the president was going to resign, but in the end it didn't happen. Apparently, some guys, his allies, actually forced him to not resign. They told him to fight on. So that's where we are at this point. So the opposition parties want either the dissolution of parliament, or they actually want a motion of no confidence tabled against the president in parliament. The DA believes that the only way the country can move forward from this scandal is actually fresh elections. That's what the Democratic Alliance is betting on. I think they have confidence in their strategy at the moment. However, the ANC remains the majority in parliament, and for such a motion to succeed, they will need to actually have the whole opposition party and some ANC MPs to support the dissolution of parliament. The same thing with what the EFF wants. The ANC is the majority, so you actually need all the opposition parties to unite. Then you actually need a number of ANC MPs to actually break rank with the party and vote with the opposition in order either to dissolve a parliament or to actually see a motion of no confidence against the president. What do you think? Do you think we should dissolve parliament? Do you think we should get a motion of no confidence in the president? Do you think Ramaphosa should resign? What do you think? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Interesting times. Pressure piling on against the president, whilst the ANC is currently deciding on his fate. But yeah, subscribe, like the video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.